Last Working Day AI has just been released, and today we're going to dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new tool. If you've been looking for a game changer in the AI space, this one might just be it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes Last Working Day AI stand out from the crowd. Stick around, because I'm also going to share where you can try this software completely for free. So, what makes Last Working Day AI such a buzz in the digital marketing world? Well, the first thing you need to know is that it's designed to simplify your workflow. Whether you're handling customer support, content creation, or even project management, this software adapts to different needs seamlessly. It's not just another AI tool, it's an all-in-one solution that can help streamline multiple processes, saving you valuable time. Another standout feature is its deep learning algorithms. Last Working Day AI uses cutting-edge tech that learns and improves the more you use it. This means, as you continue working with it, it becomes more efficient at predicting outcomes, automating tasks, and even suggesting ways to optimize your efforts. If you're a business owner or someone involved in marketing, this could significantly reduce manual work. But that's not all. The software is incredibly user-friendly, which is often a major hurdle with some of these advanced tools. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to start, even if you're new to AI-powered software. You also get robust analytics that can give you insights into your performance. These insights are key to refining strategies and improving ROI, whether you're running campaigns or measuring customer satisfaction. Last Working Day AI doesn't just do the work, it gives you the data to back it up, which is crucial in today's competitive market. Security is always a concern when using new software, but Last Working Day AI has you covered here. The platform uses state-of-the-art encryption and follows best practices for data protection, ensuring your information remains secure and compliant. One of the most exciting features is its integration capabilities. Last Working Day AI easily integrates with other tools you might already be using, like CRM systems or social media management platforms. This makes it super easy to incorporate it into your existing workflow without disruption. Lastly, Last Working Day AI is built for scalability. Whether you're a small business or part of a large enterprise, the software can grow with you. This adaptability makes it an excellent long-term investment for businesses looking to scale their operations. You can try Last Working Day AI for free from the first link in the description below, so don't miss that opportunity. If you're tired of jumping from one AI software to another, this could be the tool that finally meets all your needs in one place. And just so you know, after testing thousands of AI software tools, I've also included some of my recommended picks in the description, which you can try for free. These are all top-rated options that I personally trust, and if you're looking for the best in AI, you won't want to miss them. So there you have it. Last Working Day AI is here, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their business processes. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, and don't forget to check out the free trial.